Click the Apps icon from the new Rich Content Editor to include external LTIs. Some of the external LTIs that you may find in the Apps tool are the ability to embed Kaltura videos, Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Teams meetings, YouTube, public collections, and other. You can also access these apps from the Tools menu and selecting Apps. If you click on the Microsoft Teams Meetings LTI, you may need to sign in. This concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Digital Learning Department. Thank you.